We are Pro-RAM, Constructive Mentality, shaping the industrial future. Visit our website for further information and request quotation. Hello, thank you for being with us and watching this video. It is part of our series about PolyWorks software. You will learn many practical tips on how to use the software to achieve your goals or simply improve your work. We encourage you to like the video and subscribe to our channel to do not miss further useful information. We also invite you to leave your comment about this material. We are open to any suggestions. The content and services we create for you. Once we've completed the measurement process, it's time to generate a document to share our results. In PolyWorks, creating measurement reports is just as straightforward and intuitive as building measurement sequences themselves. PolyWorks allows you to create fully customized inspection reports. However, the default reporting workflow relies on ready-to-use templates. To generate a formatted report based on a default template, simply click the Formatted Report button in the Review tab. A new Report Editor tab will appear next to 3D Scene in the main window, giving you access to your report. At the same time, the newly created report opens automatically and the Report Properties table pops up. Fill in the fields in the table as needed. It's a good practice to include an overview of the measured part on the title page. By clicking Capture 3D Scene region, you'll switch to the 3D Scene view, where you can adjust the part's orientation. Position the part in the XY plane, switch to an isometric view, or set any custom perspective you require. The choice is yours. Next, you can create additional report pages. The workflow is very intuitive. A popular way to present measurement results is with graphical views. While in the 3D Scene tab, position the part as desired and enable the visibility of features, dimensions, and angles in the object tree. Then, click Snapshot in the Review tab to capture the view. Need to present measurement results in a table? No problem. In the object tree, select the characteristics you want to include. Click the Tables button, and a table containing the selected data will be added to the report automatically. The methods presented here cover the true basics of report creation in PolyWorks. You can also leverage more advanced options like Control Reviewer or present measurement results in various contexts, coordinate systems, or alignments, but we'll cover those topics in one of the next episodes. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to visit our website and read more about us.